This could possibly be the last startup in my little garage stall. Okay guys, this is pretty sad. This possibly might be the last drive for this car before I sell it. Okay, I'm here at IMX Auto. We are possibly selling the car today. Man, this is gonna be a heartbreaker. And then some. I just sold it. So one last start. Oh my god, guys. I'm always going to remember this in the future. I'm going to say, remember that car that I had? Remember that car? That Scatpack Widebody B5 blue car? Well, there it is right now in front of my eyes. We're looking at this video through the camera. Right now, I'm looking at it through my own eyes. Right here, right now. Oh my god, I love this car. This is just the first stepping stone for me. This is just the beginning, guys. On to better and bigger things. Okay guys, I just sold my baby. Hurts so bad. Only a true car enthusiast would know how this feels. I know whatever I'm getting is gonna be a lot better. I know what I'm getting though, by the way. But even if I'm not getting that other car tomorrow. Even if I was, I still would be crying the way I am over this car right now. You know, it's my first toy, how not? It's a special car, only one of 268 B5 blues in the world. Oh god. The car only had 933 miles. The car was so brand new, it still wouldn't let me do launch control. It wasn't even fully broken in yet. 305 width on the front and in the back. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. I'll always remember this car. I will always remember it. Well guys, this is like the end of the era for this one. But I had fun with this car. I thank God for this car. I give all the glory to God. But something is coming much better. I mean, dude, look at this. Even the fender wells were nice and clean inside, man. Car's beautiful. Only 933 miles. So I sold this bad boy. And on to the next one. You know, when it's gone, it's gone. But hey, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. And that's it. So long, bad boy. So long.